Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the new virtual joystick node in Godot 4.7. For this example, I just have a simple 2D controller that just uses up, down, left, right controls, and these are just custom actions that I set up inside the input map. So now I can add a new node, virtual joystick. Here it is. I'm going to place it at the bottom left of the screen. Over here, I have my actions. I'm going to reassign them to my custom actions. And it's that simple. Now my joystick is bound to my inputs. Now to test this on your PC using your mouse, head over to Project, Project Settings, scroll down to Input Devices, click on Pointing, and Emulate Touch for Mouse. Turn that on. Now if we run this, you'll see that our joystick works as intended. And to utilize a few more of its inputs, head over to Signals. Here you can use things such as the flicked or tapped signal. So I'm going to connect the pressed signal to my character body, and I'll just say joystick pressed. And if we run that, you'll see that our joystick is detecting that it's been pressed. And I also want a little bit of a dead zone when I'm pressing. So have a dead zone ratio and increase this to 0.3. Now if we run this, we'll have a dead zone. So now I have to drag it outside the dead zone to move my player. And the great thing about this node is we can just duplicate it, and now we have two inputs. So I have another player here that has a alternate left, right, up, and down input. If we go ahead and set that up over here, just like this, now I have two independent joysticks that affect independent inputs. Anyways guys, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you!